Normally, when you're working with big projects, you're going to have to write a lot of functions. Now, what I want us to do here, I want us to define what we call a module. A module is simply going to run a set of functions together, just the same way we have had a function running a set of code. Now we are going to define a couple of functions, 1, 2, or 3 functions. Then after that, we will try and save a module, and then from which we will try and run and see how it works. Let's continue with our early example where we are going to have to continue calculating the area of a rectangle. So we will define a function that actually takes two numbers, length and width. So we will define a rectangle, and this module is going to take length and width, right? So we want this module to return the area. So we will say return length multiplied by width. So this is our first module. And then the second one, we want to define another module that sums the length and width. So let's say it performs the perimeter. So we will define another function called rectangle. And this one here is going to also take length and width. But now instead of returning the product, it's going to return the sum. So it's going to be return. And now we are going to have length plus width. Okay. So I hope we are at home with this. So we have these two. Now let's rename this, let's say to area. So if we run this and we run this. Now if we call this function, it is going to be 10 and 23. And now it's going to give us that the area of the rectangle is 230. But now if we call the second function, it's going to give us something else. So 10 added by 23 is going to be 33. So we want to wrap these two functions into one module. How do you do that? It is simple. Now you will click here, and under this, add a Python file. And we will call this file something like save Python file as, and then we will call this our summation. And then we will save. So we have summation.py. So let's copy this function and paste it here. And also come down here and copy the second function and paste it here. So if you've done that, now you can simply save. And when you come to this side, you will actually get a file called summation.py. Now we want to use this to calculate the sum, just the same way we have done here. So you will do something we call importing the module. And that is going to be import summation, right? Now that we've imported summation, we want to calculate the area of a rectangle. So the simple thing you will do is you will take this, you are going to write summation.area rectangle. In short, so what you are telling it, within the summation module, I want you to access the area rectangle function. And now you're going to pass the arguments. We know it is 10 and 23. When you run this, you're going to get 230. That if you want, for example, to get the perimeter, you're going to have to use summation dot perimeter, but now you're also going to have to pass the right arguments. And when we run this, you're going to get 32, right? But you don't always want to be importing as summation. You will notice when we get to that part that people have another renaming convention. So if your module is called summation, you can call it SM, you can call it AB, you can call it anything. So for example, let's call it SM here. So instead of writing summation, you could simply come here and now run a code instructing it to import summation. Then after that, access the rectangle function, the area of a rectangle function. And now when you run, you're actually going to get 230. And the same way, you will get this. And now you can simply shorten this because you have already renamed it to something else. And now when you run, you're going to get 32. That is the very simple way through which you can actually write, access, modules by using predefined functions.